11:55, that means it's lunchtime. And as Born to Be Alive by Patrick Hernandez plays in the background, I have cooked a sweet potato. How about that? And then over here, I have cooked some Adzuki beans. Adzuki, I ain't swearing, baby. Adzuki beans in the pressure cooker. And I'm going to put them together and I'm going to make a burger and have some fries with them on National Fry Day today. Not Friday, like Friday, but Fry Day, like fries. You'll get it in a minute. It is so appropriate that Donna Summers' I Feel Love is playing in the background because I love the way these Adzuki beans came out. I love them. They're red and gorgeous and just look at them. Ooh, Adzuki baby. Say it with me. Adzuki. 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 Ooh, I feel love. I feel love. I feel love for Adzuki beans. Things have gone mad here in the kitchen. I have taken the sweet potato and the unsuspecting Adzuki beans and I have put them in the fabulous Breville with some barbecue sauce, with a beet and some beet juice, you heard me right, with some garlic, with a slice of homemade sourdough bread, with some nutritional yeast and some cumin and some Spanish paprika and some homemade Worcestershire sauce. And I'm going to whiz all that about. Oh, Becky, then I'm going to coat it in breadcrumbs. Oh, who am I? What is going on here? Oh, Lordy, it's the color of blood. You want it to be a paste, by the way. A paste you can make into a patty. A paste you can make into a patty. Added a little cornmeal and we got ourselves a thick paste. Added some cornmeal to make it a little thick. So we're going to roll that in breadcrumbs and make a patty out of it. As in Patty the Bell. Ooh, gonna make a patty. Baby, gonna make a patty! Don't know if it's going to work or not, but since I don't eat eggs, I took my old egg cookers, turned them upside down. I'm going to put the paste on top of the breadcrumbs to make my patties, baby! Celine sings a Christmas song in July because why not? We might not make it at this weight. Dear God, they almost look like hamburger patties. What the hell? I'm a vegan. They kind of look like hamburger, don't they? Mm-hmm. Now let's see if they hold up, hold together, pull through. Oh, and over here, we got some French fries that I have made. I've cut myself out of a Yukon Gold. And some cauliflower. And I'm going to drizzle some provincial-style infused Thai safflower oil on it. And then put some other spices and some cornstarch. And then put it in there in the Brava along with the burger patties and air fry them. That's what's happening here, honey. Air frying. Do you hear me? Air frying. Emperor's got her favorite treat from her favorite little store called Snooty Paws. It's a turkey burger. And I have, bam, an Adzuki bean burger covered in barbecue sauce with air fried French fries and some cauliflower that's been air fried. And it's all right there with some delicious iced tea and my new iPad on its magic keyboard. And Ember's got her dish. And we about to eat lunch, baby. Bam! That's how you make a vegan lunch that is tasty, delicious. And I have 10 burgers. 9 minus that one. So I have 9 frozen leftover burgers. So 9 more lunches like that just from what I did here today. Yeah! I ain't gonna say, bam, that belongs to somebody else. I ain't gonna snap, that belongs to somebody else. I'm just gonna say, let's eat. It ain't but a few seconds later and Miss Ember is done with hers. But honey, I'm mowing through mine. It is so good. Oh my God, those fries, that burnt one, who cares? But the rest of them, look at them, are so good. And the cauliflower, oh my God, look at that. And the burger, oh, sweet Lord. That's good.